In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a login form in Canva. We'll walk step by step from blank canvas to a clean, professional login screen you can use as a mock-up, a prototype, or even publish as a simple website. Follow along in your own Canva tab so you can design with me as we go. First, start a new design. Open Canva and in the search bar at the top type website or landing page. These options give you a wide, modern canvas size that works well for login screens and web prototypes. Click on the size you prefer and Canva will open a new blank page. If you already know your exact dimensions, for example for a specific app screen, you can click Custom Size and type in your own width and height. From here, you've got your blank workspace ready to build your login form. Next, let's find a template if you want a head start. On the left side in the Templates tab, type in Login Page Template, Mobile Prototype, or Form. Canva will show you pre-built layouts with input fields, buttons, and headings already placed. If you see a design you like, click it to apply it to your page and then you can edit everything. If you want to build from scratch, you can simply use these as inspiration or skip templates completely and stay on your blank canvas. Now set up your background so the login form has a clean base. On the left, click Background or just click on the empty canvas. At the top, choose a solid color if you want a minimal modern look like light gray, white, or a soft gradient. If you want something more visual, you can go to the Photos or Elements tab, search for abstract shapes, office scenes, or gradients, and drag one onto the canvas. You can also upload your own background image by using the Uploads tab and then resizing it to fill the entire page. Aim for a simple, non-distracting background so your login form stays easy to read. Now let's add the elements for the actual login form. We'll start with the input fields. Go to the Elements tab and in the search bar type Prototype Graphics or Form Fields. Canva often has pre-made UI elements that look like text boxes. If you do not find what you want, scroll to Shapes, click a rectangle, and drag it onto your canvas. Resize it into a long, thin box for your username or email field. Duplicate it by using Copy and Paste or the Duplicate button and place the second one below it for the password field. Make sure the corners and border styles match your design style. You can round the corners a bit for a softer, modern look. Next, add the text labels. Click on the Text tab on the left and choose Add a heading for your main title. Type Login or Login and place it above your input fields. Then add smaller text for username, email, or username email above the first box and password above the second box. Add a small line of text under the password field that says Forgot Password, and position it slightly to the right or under the password box. Choose simple, clean fonts, and try to use a maximum of 2 font families across the whole design to keep it consistent. Make sure your text color contrasts clearly with the background and your input fields so it's easy to read. Now we'll create the button. Go back to Elements, choose a rectangle shape again and place it below the input fields. Resize it to look like a clear, clickable button. With the button selected, change its color in the top menu to your brand color or a bold accent color. Then add a text box on top of it and type Login. Center the text both horizontally and vertically within the button using Canva's alignment helpers. From here, add your logo or relevant images. Go to the Uploads tab if you have a logo file, drag it onto the canvas and place it at the top of the layout, either centered or aligned to one side. If you do not have a logo yet, go to Elements and search for simple icons or illustrations that match your theme, like user icons or security icons, and place them near the title or on one side of the form. Now arrange and style everything so it looks neat and professional. Hold Shift and click multiple elements to move them together, or use the alignment tools at the top like Tidy Up, Center, or Middle to line up your input fields, labels, and button. Adjust spacing between items so nothing feels cramped. Then customize your colors and fonts to match your brand or project style. You can also add subtle shadows to the card or form area to give it depth. If you want a prototype feel, select an element like the button, click Animate, and choose a simple animation for when you export it as a video or presentation. Once your login form design looks the way you want, it's time to download or publish. For a static image, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for most uses or SVG if your plan supports it and you want vector graphics. If you want an actual functional form, search in Elements for Forms and use Canva's native form options to collect responses or integrate with tools like JotForm by using external links and embedding. Finally, if you want to present this as a simple prototype website, click Share, then More, and choose Website or Publish to the web. Canva will generate a shareable link that you can send to others to view your login page design in a browser. And that's it, you've designed a clean login form in Canva, customized to your style and ready to share, test, or present as part of your UI design.